5 best features.
Big and clear HD display. The Lunar Discovery Neo has a 1.39 HD screen with crisp visuals and bright colors, making it easy to read notifications and stats even outdoors. Bluetooth calling from your wrist. You can make and receive calls straight from the watch with its built-in mic and speaker, handy when your phone is in your bag or pocket. Useful health and fitness tracking. It monitors heart rate, sleep, stress, and even female wellness. Plus, it detects activities automatically, so you don't have to start tracking manually. Long battery life. The watch easily lasts several days on a single charge with normal use, so you don't need to plug it in every night. Stylish design and animated faces. With a metallic finish and 2.5D animated watch faces, the Neo looks more premium than its price suggests. Great for everyday wear.
Oh, top 3 drawbacks.
No built-in GPS. Unlike some watches, it doesn't have on-device GPS, so you'll need your phone for precise route tracking during runs or walks. App issues and connectivity. Some users report the companion app disconnects occasionally, which can affect sync and feature access. Occasional lag and UI freezes. A few users note the watch software can feel slightly laggy or freeze sometimes. Not smooth like premium watches.
Top comments by users. Listen, dear viewer. Check these things before accepting the parcel.
Please like the video and subscribe for more helpful content.